हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. वेलकम टू माई क्लास. टुडे वी विल लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड नेमिंग वर्ड्स. So it is the most important topic in our syllabus. So we will start with the definition of naming word. So naming word क्या होते हैं? किसी का भी नाम. So naming word, so it is the name of a person, a place, an animal and a thing. So naming word किसको कहते हैं? Naming word are the words of a person, a place, an animal, a thing. So these are the naming words. So किसी के भी पर्सन के नाम को, किसी प्लेस के नाम को, किसी एनिमल के नाम को या फिर किसी चीज़ के नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? नेमिंग वर्ड. सो दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ नाउन. सो दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ नाउन. अगर हमारा नाम नहीं होगा सो हमें कोई एड्रेस कैसे करेगा? या फिर अगर मुझे आपसे कोई चीज़ मंगवानी है या फिर मुझे आपको बोलना है आप आज ईवीएस की नोटबुक निकालिए, तो अगर उस नोटबुक का नाम नहीं होगा तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे बच्चों कि बुक को कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? सो इट शुड हैव अ नेम. अ थिंग शुड हैव अ नेम. सो दीज आर दी नेमिंग वर्ड्स. सो आइए इसको और अच्छे से समझते हैं बाय सम क्यूट एंड ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर्स. So example of naming words. So it is our first activity. So these are the examples of naming word. This is a girl. This is a boy. So they are the person. So these two are the person. So it is the example of person. Place. आप किसी place का नाम बताइए. Suppose for an example park. आप लोग everyday park जाते हैं ना? So this is Taj Mahal. This is Taj Mahal. So these are the examples of place. These are the example of place. Now animal. So these are the two animals, cat and duck. These are the thing, car and doll. So these are the examples of naming words. So kids, in the next activity we will circle the naming word. So I have mentioned few lines over here. In the first line it is mentioned this is a bag. This is a bag. So this is a bag. So what is the thing here is bag. So we will circle the bag. It is tree. So we will circle the tree. Box is big. So we will circle the box. Chair is small. So we will circle the chair. I have many friends. So we will circle the friends. So these are the things. So these are the words. So that we call naming words. Okay. So hope you understand this activity. Let's move on to the next activity. So mention the naming words. So I have placed some words over here. Person, place, animal and thing. So I have mentioned for your reference, but आपको अपने आप लिखना होगा. ये आपको person का कोई भी नाम mention कर सकते हैं. Suppose I have mentioned boy, Riya and Megha. Place, जो भी spellings आपको आते हैं place के वो आप लिख सकते हैं. I have mentioned Delhi Zoo and India Gate. So in animal you have to mention animal's name. Thing you have to mention things. I have mentioned book, pencil and board. Okay. So hope you understand this activity as well. So now move on to the next activity. So what is there? You have to draw and color the things. So I have mentioned few things over here. First is pencil, balloon, ball, car and book. So you will have to draw these things and color these things. Okay. So it is the fourth activity of yours. So let's move on to the next and final activity. Write down the words in the proper column. So I have mentioned few names over here. What you will have to segregate these things in the name you will have to mention the person. In the name of the places, you will have to mention in the place of places. And in things, जो भी things यहाँ mention है, you will have to mention in this column. Okay, so these are the 3 columns that you will have to prepare. So I hope with this, so with the help of these activities, you will understand the topic naming word. Okay, so I hope the topic is clear for everyone. So these are the activities that I have prepared for you. Please do this activity and practice at your place. So kids, I hope this activity is clear for everyone. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Dear teachers, students and parents, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.